So meats are beautiful
Shades of Pressy.
That's the name. Okay, so guys, we have a beautiful YouTuber on here today, so I'm going to be glamming her face.
This fine face will be finer.
Yes, so
Finer.
yes. So guys,
Just sit down and relax. We have gist.
Why
We
would
gist
you?
with two people.
why we have just
Please just enjoy the music. They're going to be teaching me makeup too because
you want to learn makeup?
I need
come
to
and
know. I need to know.
You come and pay.
I used to know how to do makeup.
So what then happened?
I just stopped because my face got bad, like acne. Who would now be telling you that it's makeup, too, especially my dad. My dad is always like, it's too much makeup, let's cut it.
It's not makeup.
So I had to
You were
stop.
using a product that was
Exactly. That was what I was. No, I wasn't even doing. It was when I had acne I started doing
makeup.
skincare.
Okay.
I just feel like it's my
No,
hormones.
like you were using a product. Okay.
I feel it's hormones because I
Yeah.
don't think it's makeup, but I still notice anytime I do makeup. Like yesterday, I had makeup on. I had like 3 or 4 new pimples on my face before evening. Before I could even clean the makeup,
Really?
I already had pimples. So I feel sometimes again it's the makeup product, and sometimes again.
So when did you know that you wanted to become a YouTuber?
When I wanted to, I've always let me think of the year first. I think lockdown 2020. That was when I think that was everybody's year
For
of wanting to be a YouTuber. That was my year that I was like, no, I want to do this YouTube thing because I've been watching YouTube for a very long time. I think since 2015, 16. In fact, since I got into the university, that's when I got into YouTube. Like I started watching YouTube, and I was mostly watching couples.
Okay.
And I was also in a relationship then, so in my head I'm like, hey, me and this man, we're going to do YouTube videos together.
Okay.
That I still have that idea in my head, but like I was convinced in 2020 that I really want to go into YouTube, and I didn't have a phone. Like I had a phone, but I had like all these. I think I was, techno camera.
Yeah.
Like techno of them, not now that they are doing good things.
Yeah.
Like I was using techno. I couldn't use that to film videos now. It couldn't give me quality that I would want. So I was always saying I will save money to start YouTube.
My techno phone was not able to give me quality, whatever, like the quality I needed for videos now. So I was always I created a YouTube. I created my channel in 2020 February. That year I said I wanted to do YouTube. That was the year I created it, and that was the year I started working on getting a phone. But fast forward to now, I got a phone this year, 2020. 2022. That's when I got a phone, and I am currently doing YouTube.
At least
for
we are here
good,
now.
yeah. We thank God.
Yeah, that's the best part.
Yeah.
Because if you were wearing determined, I'm sure you would have.
I wouldn't
still
have been here. I wouldn't even get the phone.
at all. So one thing is determination. So congratulations.
Thank you.
So I know you sell glasses, right?
yeah.
Is it just glasses you sell, or you sell other stuff too?
Before now, I was selling hairs.
Okay.
I was selling hairs too, and lashes.
Okay.
But lashes, I was doing it like on the low. Like if I have a friend that does, I had friends that are still makeup artists.
Okay.
So if they need glasses, I just get order. Like it's not like I had them on ground.
Okay,
I will order lashes for them.
Okay.
So I was doing hair, lashes, and glasses. If you even check my business page, the profile picture, you'll see it hairs, sunglasses, and lashes. So I took a pause on hairs and lashes, and I focused more on the glass side because I didn't feel I was getting customers like I would want to for the hair and for the lashes. So I just took a break on that one.
And what do you think was the reason for you not getting clients for those?
Actually, you know, hairs are expensive.
Yeah.
You want to use good quality hairs, it is money. So let's say the customers I have did not have that kind of money to be getting hairs. Like I didn't know a lot of people.
Okay.
So I just stick to my glasses, which was, and it is still quite affordable.
Yeah.
So I just
saw it on your page actually.
Yeah, I just
and they're
stick to
quite
them.
nice.
They're very nice. Blu-ray glasses, like for YouTubers, if you you need to protect your eyes from the screen when you are editing. Too much light and all of that.
I think I really need to buy that though, because I need it. Sometimes I edit till like
night. Noticing problems like eye problems, my eyes are watery, all those things, like from editing. It was just something else. So I now realized I didn't even need to go to the hospital because I just knew that my phone light was my problem. So I just went to my collection, as I have glasses now. I just went and picked one. If you notice, I came here, I was with glasses because on my way I was pressing my phone.
Okay.
So I just got one, and in fact I don't have one.
Yeah, that was like you solving a problem.
Yes.
So do you plan incorporating your business into the YouTube?
I am doing that already.
Okay.
So the last video I posted on my channel, that was where I mentioned, I always had like my business page in my description box, but I never mentioned anything in my video. So my last vlog, luckily I was putting on one of my glasses, so I had to just talk about it. And now it's like part of it, like it's definitely going to be part of my YouTube, because my business is me, my YouTube is me too. So
right. So where do you see yourself in the next 5 years in this YouTube thing?
In this YouTube, next 5 years, please, in the next 5 years, I'm already seeing myself counting 20,000 subscribers and more.
Right.
Like, and more. I'm just saying 20,000, but hopefully more than 20,000 subscribers by the grace of God. I see myself doing a lot of content, like better content than I am doing right now. And yeah, that's it for YouTube.